If you've recently started a fundraiser and are wondering what to do next, we've got you covered. We'll share what successful GoFundMe organizers do in their first week. Here's a quick overview. Make a plan, share your fundraiser, invite team members, ask others to share, and set up transfers to receive your money. Laying out a plan can help you keep on track and keep your schedule manageable. Plan to do at least one fundraiser-related thing every day in the first week. Spreading the word about your fundraiser is how you'll start receiving donations. Few donors come to GoFundMe to search for a stranger's fundraiser, so sharing often and in multiple places is how you'll generate traffic. Share on and off social media. Social media tends to have a big reach but requires regular sharing to cut through the noise. Sharing outside of social media tends to be more personalized, so your message is more likely to reach your recipient. Try texting, emailing, or calling people who might donate. Adding team members to your fundraiser can be a great help. You can ask team members to complete tasks like thanking donors and sharing on your behalf. Invite 2 to 3 team members who you trust to help you out. Asking your friends and family to share your fundraiser with their contacts can be a way to reach more people. Having someone else share can also boost the trust donors have in your fundraiser. Within the first week, ask 3 people to share your fundraiser with their communities. We recommend setting up transfers in your first week, especially if you need the funds quickly. Occasionally, we may ask for supporting documents, and this way you'll have more time. These steps will help you have a successful first week and start building momentum. Check out the Help Center for more ideas on getting your fundraiser out there.